Okay. Try not to run into this airplane.
Yeah, right?
Here we go. Yoke. That one tank's pretty low. See it? The reaching between there. That one. So I'm just gonna switch it up here.
Okay.
So you can get over here where that is the
Oh.
switch. Yeah. So you just go to the front tank, and the indicator will come up and it switches tanks for you. It's kind of nice. We just go up to the highway and come back.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, is that your head?
Yeah, it was fine.
You can catch some outside too if you want. I don't know. All right, here we go. Temp's coming up. It's showing 60. It's actually about 55. That's the tire size difference. So I mean it'll go on faster. And it handles good. It drives straight. Drives pretty good, really. Slow down here. Let's stop that one and start another one.